This is Dr. Divya. Let's continue with the topic of termination of transcription in prokaryotes. So, first, termination, the transcribed region of DNA template contains stop signals. So, prokaryotic have two classes of termination signals. First, relies on protein factor called Rho factor. The first one is Rho dependent termination, and second one is Rho independent termination. So row dependent termination signal by a sequence in the template strand of the DNA molecule, which are 40 base pair in length and are inverted repeats and hyphen. These signals recognized by a termination protein. That one is row factor. The row is an ATP dependent RNA stimulated helicase which binds to the signal. Thus, RNAPs cannot move further, so it dissociates from DNA. That disrupt the nascent RNA DNA complexes and release nascent RNA. That is a terminate that the nascent RNA is released from this uh, strand. Rho factor actually identifies the stop signal. So row independent, most independent terminators have two distinct features. One is palindromic GC rich region, which is followed by an AT rich region. Thus, RNA transcript of this palindromic is self-complementary sequence, permitting the formation of a hairpin structure. And the second feature is a highly conserved styrene of adenine residue in the template strand that are transcribed into uracil residue. The RNA transcript ends within or just after them. This is the direction of transcription. There the coding strand 5 to 3 prime, then template strand 3 to 5 prime. That the palindromic sequence is found in this the termination loop. This is a make a RNA transcript. This loop is formed. The next topic, the transcription in the eukaryote is so much more complicated. It's a much more complicated. Three different RNA polymerase is found in transcription in eukaryotes. Required many transcription factor protein. Transcription initiation needs promoter and upstream regulatory region. Enhancer silencer are DNA sequences that regulate the rate of initiation of transcription by RNA polymerase. Second, RNA polymerase of eukaryotes, RNA polymerase first, that are ribosomal RNA like 18S, 28 hours, 18 hours, 5.8 hours. That that is made up from RNA polymerase and mRNA, heterogeneous RNA, that type of mRNA is from like RNA polymerase second, and transfer RNA 5S ribosomal RNAs from the that RNA polymerase third. That are first RNA polymerase first is sensitive to it is not sensitive to amanitin, and then the second is a highly sensitivity, and third is like having a moderate sensitivity. So amanitin is a specific inhibitor of RNA polymerase eukaryotic promoter. So cat box and tata box is required type of promoters. So found in nucleotic transcription. Tata box is known as a Hogness box. In downstreams, regulatory elements and enhancer silence is present. So post-transcription modification, the nascent RNA, also known as primary transcript, needs to be modified to become functional transfer RNAs and ribosomal RNA and messenger RNA. So primary transcripts of messenger RNA called as heterogeneous nuclear RNA. So heterogeneous nuclear are larger than matured messenger RNA. Post-transcriptional modification, first splicing, second addition of 5' cap, third creation of poly A tail, fourth RNA editing. First, splicing. The structural genes are composed for coding and non-coding regions that are alternatively separated. So, non-coding sequences called intervening sequences of intron and coding sequences known as exon. So this is the exon. Exon first exon sent in between intros is found in, and the nucleophilic residue exposed ATP dependent unwinding. This makes a lariat form of complete spliceosome. So production of auto antibodies against smaller nuclear ribonuclear nuclear protein causes systematic lupus erythematosus. So 5 prime capping. So most eukaryotic messenger RNA have a 5 prime cap, a residue of 7 methyl guanosine linked to the 5 terminal residue of messenger RNA through an unusual 5 prime to 5 prime triphosphate linkage. So formation of cap required 3 steps. First step is 5 prime terminal phosphate group removes by phosphatase enzyme leaving diphosphate, and second one GTP is added by releasing pyrophosphate, and third one seventh nucleotide of guanine is methylated by methyl transferase enzyme. Methyl group donor is S adenosyl methionine polyethyl. At their 3' end, most eukaryotic messenger RNA have a string of 42 200 adenine residue making up the polyethyl. Adenine nucleotide are edited by enzyme adenylate transferase. This is the RNA editing. So modification of transfer RNA, the primer transcripts of prokaryote and eukaryotic transfer RNA are processed by the removal of sequence from each end, and in a few cases by the removal of intron. This is known as splicing. This is a primary script, and this is the intermediate and mature transfer RNA. Base modification, first methylation, second reductions, third transversion, and fourth deamination. That type of processing of eukaryotic ribosomal RNA, 18S, 5.8S, and 28S, that methylase and cleavage nucleases methyl group. Inhibitors actinomycin D. It binds with DNA template and blocks the movement of RNAPs. Rifampicin, antibiotic used to treat tuberculosis. It binds with the beta subunit of prokaryotic RNAPs. And amantine, toxin produced by Amencia phalloides mushroom. It tightly binds with the eukaryotic RNA polymerase second. Third, it inhibits messenger RNA synthesis. Reverse transcription. So retroviruses possess RNA as a genetic material. Enzyme RNA dependent DNA polymerase. DNA complementary to viral RNA. So complementary DNA can be used as a probe to identify the sequence of DNA in genes. This RNA genome found in retroviruses and cytoplasm RNA reverse transcriptions make a viral DNA and with integrated with a in chromosome in nucleus. So thank you.